Hi, Jack. Are you ready to go shopping?
Yes, Emma. I need food. I am very hungry today.
Okay, let's go inside.
Wow, this supermarket is very big.
Yes, it is. Do you want a shopping cart or a basket?
Let's take a shopping cart.
Good choice. In America, we say shopping cart.
There are many long rows here. What do we call them?
We call them aisles. Each aisle has shelves.
Aisle. Shelves. Okay. Emma, where can I find milk?
Milk is in the dairy section.
Dairy section.
Yes, dairy means food made from milk. Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt.
Got it. Dairy section. Oh, this sign says produce. What does produce mean?
Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables.
So apples and tomatoes are produce?
Yes, exactly.
Excuse me, where can I find eggs? Aisle 5, top shelf. Thank you.
See, that is very natural English.
Emma, what does organic mean?
Organic food is made without chemicals. Many people like it, but it costs more.
I will buy the normal one. I found beans in this tin?
In American English, we say can, a can of beans.
Okay. Canned food means food in a can. Brr. It is very cold here.
This is the frozen food section.
Frozen pizza. Frozen vegetables. Ice cream.
Don't take too much.
Emma, look. Buy one, get one free.
That is called a BOGO deal.
So I buy one and get two?
Yes, you pay for one.
I love BOGO deals. What does discount mean?
Discount means a lower price. If something is cheap, we also say on sale.
Nice. I like things on sale. These apples say $3 per pound.
Per pound means price by weight. In the US, we use pounds.
In my country, we use kilos.
Yes, different system.
Did you find everything today?
Yes. I want to pay with my credit card.
Okay, please insert your card.
What is this paper?
That is a receipt. It shows what you paid.
Not a recipe?
Number. A recipe tells you how to cook.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. A plastic bag is fine.
So, Jack, what did you learn today?
Shopping cart. Aisle. Shelf. Dairy section. Produce. Canned food. Frozen food. BOGO deal. Discount. Per pound. Credit card. Receipt. And bag.
Great job!
Now I sound natural. And I am still hungry.
Now it's your turn. What do you buy at the supermarket? Write a comment below. Like this video and subscribe for more Real English.